I have heavy clay soil and there is still water standing in a hole I dug on Sunday. I really want to plant azaleas. What should I do to make them live? A deeper hole with lots of amendments under the root ball, or a really wide, shallow hole with amendments? Do I add back any clay? Any advice would be appreciated. Thanks. And this is Ms. Deb from Mount Juliet, Tennessee. So how about that?
Yeah.
So there's a couple of questions in here.
Yeah.
Because we saw that hole had a lot of water in it.
Oh yeah, it reminds me of the front of WKNO here when we were planting.
That's right, that bad.
And you know what we did, and this is what, and,
All right, go ahead,
I worry about the Japanese maple I saw also in the picture in the corner.
Okay.
Maples don't like to have wet roots in them either. So what we did here is we dug a hole and then we added more topsoil to it, and we planted the plant half in the ground, half out of the ground, and mounded up the plant. Now she doesn't want to dig a hole because she saw what happens when she dug a hole.
A lot of water in that hole too.
And if you dig a bigger hole to plant azaleas, even if you put amendments in it, you're creating a bigger bowl that water is going to sit in. So you don't want to do that. You want to go up. And having the mound of dirt around the plant is great. It has an area that it can get air and water movement, and it will live just fine. And I would suggest she does that with the maple also.
Okay. I think you're right about that. Yeah. I think you better plant it high, because here's the thing: azaleas don't like wet feet.
No. No.
So you definitely want. It's just like the Japanese maple. You have to be planted high.
And of course, I don't know the area. I mean, there might be an area she could make a whole big raised bed there, but she can't change the natural flow of water in that area.
Right.
You just got to watch that. And you can't tell that from the picture.
Right.
But whatever you do, go up and not amend down.
Ms. Deb, go up, not down. Right. Plant high. Yeah.
Plant high.
Azaleas definitely don't like wet feet. No. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.